Good morning, class 1. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, ISWA. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will revise chapter 4, that is Animals World. We had already discussed all the topics in this chapter. Today, we will start the revision of this chapter. So class, let's begin. In this chapter, that is Animals World, chapter 4, we had discussed that there are several types of animals present in our surroundings. Several types of animals, big animals, small animals, some animals living on the land, some animals living in the water, and there are several types of animals. Very big animals, small and very small animals. Among the big animals on the land, elephant is the biggest animal. But on the planet Earth, blue whale is the biggest animal. The same wise, rat is a small animal, but amoeba is the smallest one. So like that, there are some animals living on the land, living in the water. There are some very small animals like insects. There are some animals which spend most of the time in the air. Some spend most of their time on the tree. Some can live both in the water and on the land. Some animals, they hide themselves in the nature very well. So all these type of animals we had discussed in this chapter already, and we revise again. So these animals have their own life system. These animals have their own life system. They live in a particular they live in their own or in the nature. They eat food, they breathe, they water, they drink water, grow, move from one place to another, reproduce, that is produce a baby like themselves. So in this way, they keep their life and they have their own life system. They move from one place to another in search of food and shelter and for protection from enemies. So in this way, they somehow survive in the nature and live in the nature. Now let's discuss one by one. So first of all, we will discuss some animals which are living on the land and very close to us. And we will discuss about that. So the first type of animals that is living on the land, and they are living very close to us. So that is in our home, that is inside our home, or close to our home. So first of all, pet animals. First of all, pet animals. The animals which are living in our home, we call them pet animals. But they don't help in our work. They just stay with us, and it is like they are friend of us, like cat, dog, parrot, someone. So this type of animals, cat, dogs, parrots, some beautiful birds. This type of animal are pet animals. They don't help us in our work, but they live with us in our home. The next category or the next type of animals, that is domestic animals. These animals live close to us, or we keep them just close to our house, and we call them domestic animals. These animals help us in our various work, and we get several type of things from them, like cow, buffalo, ox, donkey, horse. They help us in our several type of work, and we get milk and meat and egg also from this type of animals and birds. So class, I hope you all are able to understand this topic well. If any problem, ask me, I will help you. Have a great day, class. Be safe at home. Thank you.